Welcome back to the Red and Black Barbecue Shack, guys. It is a gorgeous sunny Sunday here. After a long cold winter, we are getting the charbroil fired back up outside, and tonight we are going to make some Korean barbecue steaks and sticky rice on that bad boy. So here we got some Angus skirt steaks that I picked up from my local grocery store. I think skirt steaks take the flavor of the marinade really well, which is why that is the meat that I want to use. You can use whatever thin cut steak you want, but I would recommend using thinner cut steak for Korean barbecue. And then we got this Lowry's Korean barbecue marinade. I've used this stuff a couple times on ribs and on steak, and I love it. Well, it ain't rocket science, guys. We're gonna cut that steak open, put it in this bag, and dump that marinade in it. Here we go. Sorry guys, but before I cover it in sauce, I just had to take a second here and really appreciate how awesome this Angus beef skirt steak is. It looks incredible, nice and marbled. This is gonna be delicious. Alright guys, well, we got these steaks marinating. We are gonna throw these in the fridge for like 6 to 8 hours. Just until dinner time, really. And yes, I used the whole bottle. No, I probably didn't have to, but it's my money and I can do what I want with it. So we got the whole bottle in here. I even threw some water in there and mixed it up to make sure I got every last drop. See you guys in a little bit. I'm getting hungry. It's about dinner time, so let's get this rice going. I'm gonna put about 1.5 cups of this rice in this pot here. Next, with some cold water, you want to rinse your rice, and don't be afraid to get in there and really get the starch off. After rinsing your rice in some cold water 3 times, you want to let it soak for about 30 minutes. Don't cheat on that. And to measure the amount of water, I use the finger trick. You want to dunk your finger in here, and it should come about 3/4 of the way to that first knuckle of your index finger. I learned it on some Korean guy's cooking channel, and it works for me every time. I forget what the quote-unquote official measurement for that water is. Bag of rice says 2 cups. 2 cups of water if you don't want to dunk your finger in it. But this also says 15 minutes, and we know that's a load of baloney, so you make the call. The rice is almost done soaking, so let's get this grill lit. And for those of you that are concerned, yeah, I got the electric start on this thing, but I replaced the batteries, it ain't working, and I don't feel like ripping this thing apart right now. We got the grill getting hot, and we got the rice on here. We want to bring this up to a slow rolling boil. And 9 hours of hard work later, these steaks are ready for the grill. Well, we have got the steaks on the grill, and this rice has come up to a slow boil. We might turn that down a little bit, and we are going to let that cook nice and slow until all that water is gone. Once that rice is done cooking and all the water is absorbed, you want to turn that heat off and let that sit for another 5 minutes. Don't open it up, it's still steaming. While that rice is finishing steaming, we just flip these steaks. I know it's probably not traditional, but I don't care. I'm throwing some butter, salt, and pepper in this rice, and it's time to go get the steaks off the grill. Well, there you go. That's how I make some Korean barbecue steaks and sticky rice. I'm starving. I'm about to make a steak bowl and dig in. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Deuces.